Okay, this is Ramachandran, one of the persons who have experienced Sanati Borewell's service. One Mr. Vasudeva from Sanati Borewells came, and the service that they have given is excellent. What is important is they have kept their word. They said they will do it in such a way, and they have not deviated from their one bit. When they said they are putting this length of pipe, they have put that length of pipe, and they have assured us that everything is okay, everything was perfect. And I would recommend anybody else who are planning to either drill a new borewell or get their borewell cleaned, please contact Sanati Borewells. They are fantastic. I give them a 5 out of 5 star rating, and no hesitation, and their service is excellent. Their gangs are excellent. Each of their gangs, the flushing gang, the scanning gang, the inserting gang, everything is perfect, and they did a fantastic job of my borewell. They have cleaned it, they have flushed it, they have saved a 4-inch borewell, which is normally not done by others. Everybody saves a 6-inch borewell, but this is the first time they have given me so much of confidence, and hopefully everything is okay. It looks like everything is okay, and they have worked on a 4-inch borewell, and the service is excellent. I recommend the Sanati Borewells, even for 6 inches, for a new borewell, for any servicing, please contact them immediately without hesitation. You don't even have to think twice. Their prices are reasonable, and they keep their word. Thank you.
Thank you.